Hello students. So today we'll see few problems on average velocity. So as you all know, velocity is a vector quantity. So average velocity is given by total displacement by total time. Now, if a body is moving with uniform acceleration, then average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. That is average of both the velocities. Now we will see few problems on this. So if I take first one, so a body falls freely for 10 seconds. So he say that it falls freely. So when he says freely means initial velocity is 0. So he says it falls freely. So initial velocity is 0 for 10 seconds. Its average velocity during this journey is, so options 100, 10, 50, 5. So I'll take a body is falling freely from A to B. So he says freely means initial velocity is 0. To come from A to B, it takes 10 seconds. I am required to find V over here. So as you all know, V is equal to U plus AT or here GT. So initial velocity is 0. G he has given it as 10. Time taken is 10. So final velocity is 100 meters per second. So using this formula, that is average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. So V average will be equal to 0 plus 100 divided by 2, that is nothing but 50 meters per second. So 50 meters per second. So answer is C. So we'll have answer C. Clear students? Similarly, now if I take second one, I will take second. A particle moves along a semicircle of radius 10 meters in 5 seconds. So second, a particle moves along a semicircle. So I will take a particle is moving along a semicircle from A to B along this semicircle. So of radius 10 meters in 5 seconds. So radius is 10, time taken is 5. You are required to find average velocity. So velocity means displacement by time. So displacement is shortest distance between A and B. So this gives me the displacement. From A to B, this gives me the displacement. Radius he has given 10 meters, means this length will be diameter, that is 2r, that is nothing but 20 meters. So time taken t he has given 5 seconds. So if I take definition of velocity, V average is equal to displacement by time. So displacement is 2r, that is 20, time taken is 5. So if you divide, you will have 4 meter per second. So you will have answer 4 meter per second. So answer is D. Answer is D. This is our second one. Now if I take next problem, third one. If I take third one, a boy is running over a circular track with uniform speed of 10 meters per second. So his speed is 10 meters per second. He is running uniformly along a circular track. What is average velocity of boy to cover half the circular track, he says. Half the circular track in meter per second. Means it is similar to second one. So boy is running along a circular track. So I will take this as A. Again this end point as B. End point as B. So his speed he has given. So along this his speed is 10 meters per second. What is average velocity to cover? So if I take velocity, this is displacement A to B. This is displacement. And as you know, displacement, this is 2r, that is diameter. Now I am required to find time. Now if I take this speed, that is 10 meter per second. So this curve or arc is distance. So distance is arc AB or semicircle AB. So arc AB is pi into r. So this is distance. So if I use formula of speed, so I will get T is equal to distance divided by speed. Correct, students? As you know, speed is distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So if I take this speed, I will be getting time. So T will be equal to pi r divided by 10 seconds time I am having. So again, if I use definition of average velocity, V average will be equal to displacement divided by time. So time to move from A to B I have calculated. Time to move from A to B is pi r by 10. Displacement is 2r. So if I substitute 2r divided by pi r by 10. So this 10 will go to the numerator, r gets cancelled. You will have 20 by pi is the average velocity in meter per second. So 20 by pi means our option is D is the answer. Clear, students? Now similarly, if I take fourth one, a particle traversed 3/4 of a circle of radius r in time t. So it has moved 3/4 of a circle of radius r in a time t. So what is magnitude of average velocity during this time interval? Options he has given. So body is moving 3/4 of a circle. So if I take a circle, body is moving 3/4 of a circle. So I will take A as a starting point. It will move 3/4 of a circle and it will come to B. This is 3/4 of a circle. Radius he has given it as r. You are required to find average velocity. So again this arc is distance. So along this curve what he has travelled is distance. Displacement is the shortest distance between A and B. So this is our displacement. So as you know, this is 90. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, this is r, this is r. So AB will get √2 into r. Clear? Time taken to move from A to B he has given. Time he takes it as t. So to move along this from A to B means to come from A to B, time taken is t. So average velocity V average is given by displacement by time. So again if you substitute √2r, time is t. So √2r by t is the answer. Means here our option is C, √2r or r √2 by t is the answer. Clear, students? Okay. If you like this video, you can share with your friends and ask them to subscribe. Again, I will be bringing such videos in future. Thank you, students.